Hello fam, yeah, today let me show you a new shoes, Nina Chanel Abney Jordan 3 shoes. Okay, we can see here the up made of the dark green color canvas and green color new back leather, the tape and the back tab made of the green color new back leather. The other area made out of green color canvas. Okay, here's the back tab of white back tab with the Nike logo. Okay, and here is the Jumpman logo. Yeah, the inside view. Okay, the white shoe lace, and here's the Jumpman logo. And body stitching on the tongue. Okay, the shoes come with an extra orange color shoes lace. Okay, here's the sailor. Yeah, Nina. Yeah, there is the Jordan logo on back of the tongue. Okay, a white tongue lining, leather tongue lining, and color lining. Here's the inner sole. Okay, like white and orange color inner sole with the Jumpman logo on the inner sole. Yeah, and here's the Jordan hand tag. Okay, let me see. Yeah, the white pure midsole with white see-through back inside. A white, orange, and the green color rubber outsole. Okay, the shoes come with new design, 2-3 and Jumpman logo, orange shoes box. Yeah, that's the box label. Okay, yeah, you can see, yeah, the shoes looks perfect and clean. So if you like them, you can place your order on my site of flycakes.net, or you may contact me by my WhatsApp. Thank you.